How to remove Roblox games from Continue. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation we'll be addressing the concerns regarding the deletion of the Roblox games from the Continue section and explore the feasibility of achieving this task. Firstly, you must launch your Roblox application on your mobile device or your computer, or you can also go through the site and you may notice a prompt to continue a game just below the Friends option. To access the settings, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen if you're using a website, or in the app, click on the three dots over here and click on Settings. However, despite exploring the various options within the settings and profile sections, there appears to be no direct method to remove the games from the Continue. As of recording this video, there is no official mechanism provided by the Roblox to facilitate this action. So I've created this video to share the available information and assist viewers in navigating the issue. Furthermore, whether you're using a PC, Mac, or mobile device, the Roblox app does not currently offer a feature to delete games from the Continue. So I hope this tutorial has been beneficial in guiding you on how to manage Roblox games within the Continue feature. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.